Perched on the majestic mountains of Munnar, Parakat Nature Resorts and Spa offers you a majestic experience to watch the mist and sunbeams weave magical pattern from cozy rooms. We welcomes you with a beautiful lobby from where you can feel the nature. From the cozy rooms, you can view the Articard waterfalls and Chengulam Dam. And we have a restaurant for you to serve the best cuisines with the beautiful panoramic view. Every charming, well-furnished rooms offer each with a spectacular view of Munnar with waterfalls, chirping birds, cackling fauna, colorful flora, foggy air and tea plantations. Parakat Resorts stands high upon an elevated design to elicit the sunrise and sunsets directly from the rooms. Coffee shops are designed to feel nature and invite you to have the most wonderful stay that Munnar can offer. Experience life flourishing in the waterfalls. From the rooms or simply whisper sweet nothings to the mist. You cannot get any closer to nature than this. If you are overwhelmed with so much beauty around you, then we do have the spa enough to be dealing with gratitude while you enjoy the peace and quiet. We offer the view of alluring Munnar Hills, manicured tea garden, thick forest, astounding dams, view the wild porcupines, red deers and other wild animals galloping with 4.5 acres of wooded area surrounding the resort. We have our own exclusive private road, fish pond and gorgeous waterfalls, leaving behind the hustle bustle of your daily life. We offer is beyond a holiday resort for your experience Munnar in its entirety. Parakat, #1 boutique resort in Munnar. Parakat Nature Hotel and Resorts, 2nd Mile, Pallivasal, Munnar.